As you can see, today we are in the orange field. Our today's job will be slashing. We are slashing the orange field. As you can see, the guys behind my background. This is the job that we are doing, and I'll be showing you my field. Stay tuned so that you can see how the field is, how the field looks like when it's slashed. As you can see, this is Brian German, and we got DF Kada, the boxer. Yes, I. Yeah, today the tour I'll be showing you what we have in this farm. So this, as you can see, this is coffee. For those who are familiar with it, they might know it. This is coffee, as you can see, guys. So
one thing I've learned is that trees are like an investment. You plant once, but they keep producing for many years. That means every season can bring money again and again. Some people laugh when they see an empty field, but farmers see opportunity. Today it may look small, but tomorrow this orange field can feed families, pay school fees, build houses, and create jobs. So never underestimate farming. A single seed can change your future. Start small, stay patient, and keep growing. Success is planted before it is harvested.
So in this hectare we got 300 oranges, and they are mixed in type. So we got this one which is called Valencia. It's Valencia. There's Valencia, Washington, and Tangerine. So as you can see, farming is the next level, guys. So never doubt your thought with farming. Start small, grow big. Wow, wow, wow. The field looks amazing.
Many people are looking for jobs. But what if your land could become your business? Right now, I have an orange field with 300 orange trees, and this farm is not just about fruits. It's about profit, income, and building a future. In my field, I planted 3 different types of oranges. Planting different varieties is important because it helps reduce risk and increases production during different seasons. Some grow faster, some produce sweeter fruits, and some survive different weather conditions better. When these 300 trees fully grow and start producing fruits, imagine the profit. If one tree gives only 200 oranges, that's already 60,000 oranges from the whole field. Now imagine selling each orange even at a small price. The money becomes huge. Farming oranges is not only about planting. You must water the trees, remove weeds, protect them from diseases, and make sure the soil stays healthy. Good care means bigger fruits and better profits.
This one on my background. This is Valencia. It is an orange called Valencia, which is suitable for making juice. Valencia is well suitable for making juice. If you want to have an orange for juice, I would advise you to go for Valencia because Valencia is the best. We also have Washington. Washington is best for sweet course after eating shima. Yeah, Washington is the best for just eating as a fruit. So as you can see, this short tree gives me a lot of fruit, about 500 fruit at one tree. Yeah. So guys, for those who are planning to start farming, and I will advise you, start now. Start now. So follow me for more, guys. Yeah. We are going in banana field. As you can see, we got bananas all over this side. Yeah, this is water. Planted once and now started eating now. This is the orange tree. This is what I was telling you, that this is the Washington. Washington is the best. It is the best for fruit eating. Then Valencia is the best for making juice. Also tangerine. Naenda pa mwamba. Eh. So this is the other side of my banana field. Oh, this is the beds of leaves. You can see, guys, these lemons, but we budded them. They are bad ones. So as you can see, all these, they are seedlings, but they passed the stage of seedlings. They are now oranges. Yeah, this is the reason why I keep telling you guys that farming is the next level, because you only plant one. So this is my oranges. Then this one here, yes. So this is my greenhouse. I start small. So as you can see, even this one, almost all of them. Wow, guys, this is the tour. Tell me if you enjoyed my tour or what. Tell me, guys, if you enjoyed my tour or what. Oh, this farm, guys, is big. It's big. This is my upcoming new orchard of bananas. Yeah, that's avocado over there. Those are avocados. Yeah, over there. Mm. So as you can see, that manpower, it's less. So I just I call support some people in my village so that they can work for more. Yeah.